We're now going to hear from our keynote, who's our host banking sponsor, Sam Emery, who's the Director of Payments Industry and Development at Lloyds Banking Group. Sadly, she is currently at a Swift board meeting, so she's going to be sharing her thoughts for 5 minutes on video, and then we will be welcoming Stuart to take the stage and continue with the conversation. So please, let's take it away, Sam.
Hello everyone. In today's fast-paced world, with new technologies emerging frequently and customer expectations continuously evolving, staying ahead of the curve is essential. Technology, of course, plays a crucial role in influencing consumer behavior and transforming the way people pay. But as we know, the world of payments is more than just technology. Geopolitical events, the pandemic, and the rising cost of living have shaped a dynamic economic landscape, prompting changes in customer behavior and consumer needs. In today's society, we expect everything to be instant and at our fingertips. This trend extends to payments, as customers increasingly embrace options like instant payments and open banking solutions. Although, despite the digital age, cash and checks still play a role for some people, particularly for those in vulnerable circumstances who may find cash helpful with budgeting. With millions of customers trusting Lloyds Bank, we have a unique understanding of the nation's financial needs and preferences. That's why it's important for us to have the conversation around the shifting payments landscape and the role we all play in shaping the future of payments. Over the years, the UK payments industry has faced significant challenges, including competing priorities, legacy infrastructure, and a complex regulatory landscape. This has hampered the progress we've been able to make as a market and our responsiveness to fast-paced disruption from big tech. The good news is that these challenges are what motivate us to push for change alongside our industry colleagues. It's been fantastic to see over the past year the industry coming together with regulators and government to start a discussion on how we collectively move beyond the individual challenges facing the industry. We've taken the time together to think not just about the day-to-day blockers, frustrations, and frankly, the detail we all love so much in payments, but what actually needs to be done to support the industry as a whole to deliver a world-leading UK payments market. We believe a unified approach is crucial for the future of payments in the UK. By working together towards common goals and outcomes, we can make sense of the moving parts and interconnected systems to see the bigger strategic picture for the future of payments. This will enable us to make decisions with confidence for the betterment of the UK and its customers, both today and tomorrow. This is a future that strikes the right balance between driving innovation for the benefit of UK consumers and businesses, while navigating the complexities and maintaining the safety, security, and resilience of the core payments infrastructure. This is where the National Payments Vision and Strategy comes in. One of the most important developments last year was the launch of the Future of Payments Review, led by Joe Garner. The review looked to answer a key underlying question, which touches on everything we see in the payments landscape. How can the UK continue to provide world-leading payment journeys for our customers? One of the recommendations to achieve this is setting a national payments vision supported by a strategy to deliver the nearer-term outcomes. We welcome this opportunity and think it comes at the perfect time to set the industry up for a successful future. Garner's recommendation is that the National Payments Vision should simplify the landscape we all work in, so payments can unlock GDP growth through empowering small businesses, supporting frictionless trade, and fintech innovation. The National Payments Vision, led by His Majesty's Treasury, presents a unique opportunity for government, regulators, and the industry to develop a guiding North Star for UK payments. It's our chance to lean into the power of unified direction and show our collective industry leadership to drive the right outcomes for consumers and businesses of all sizes. We've identified 4 key outcomes that we will need within a successful national payments vision. These are customer centricity, resilience and safety, boosting innovation, and sustainability. In this diverse landscape, first and foremost, it's essential that customers stay at the heart of what we do and deliver. We recognise the importance of ensuring that all customers, regardless of background or vulnerability, are able to access convenient and timely payments and feel protected throughout their payment journeys. We need an easily understandable landscape for customer protection, with recourse for when things go wrong and measures to counter financial exclusion. Therefore, we need to design innovative initiatives with clear and consistent standards to prioritise customer protection and satisfaction. The backbone of this is a resilient payment system. We know that customers and businesses just want their payments to work. We need secure and streamlined infrastructure to ensure the safety and efficiency of transactions. We can do this by leveraging modular platforms and fast settlements to provide seamless and effortless experience for customers. At the heart of our architecture should lie a focus on security and fraud prevention. We must prioritise the implementation of robust security measures to ensure peace of mind for every transaction and build trust and confidence with our consumers. Next is ensuring the ecosystem is one that fosters emergent innovation and data-rich transactions to allow a seamless experience for consumers and businesses. For this, we will need a simplified payment landscape, which will reduce the cost of ownership to existing participants and new entrants, creating space for the payments industry to innovate organically. We need to support the UK to innovate in the marketplaces of the future, promoting high-quality competition. And lastly, sustainability. This is not just a buzzword, it has to mean something. It's essential for the long-term prosperity of our industry and our country. From inception to launch to run to sunsetting, we must maintain a laser focus on the economic viability of the UK payments estate. From ecosystem-based cost-benefit analyses to more efficient and equitable funding models to decommissioning strategies. Commitment here will build a payment system that fosters economic growth, incentivizes ongoing investment, and ultimately helps drive prosperity. So where do we want to get to? We think we can harness technological developments and innovation to enable a financial services system where money, assets, data, and international commerce are integrated and interoperable, adapting to ever-changing customer behaviour across retail and wholesale markets. This would enable UK GDP growth and positions the UK financial services sector as a global leader into the future. We think this is a really exciting prospect with countless benefits for consumers, businesses, and the UK economy. Together, we can co-create a sustainable vision for UK payments that incorporates the capacity for innovation and choice. Using this as our North Star, we can be confident as we invest in a brighter future for payments. Thank you.
What a fantastic opportunity this morning to be with you and to discuss the future of payments. And we've received some great insights already. Sam, in her presentation, talked about the key outcomes for customers. And that's what I would like to focus on this morning as we think about the future of payments. So Sam outlined the outcomes of customer centricity, resilience, innovation, and sustainability. And I'd like to focus on these as outcomes that we'd like to explore in the National Payments Vision. Seamless and secure. Customers expect a payments experience that's both convenient and trustworthy. The target state should meet customers' expectations for seamless and timely payments. Yet at the same time, we do know fraud happens today, and advanced data analytics will allow us to better detect and prevent fraud. We also anticipate that changes in the law will allow us to intervene in the payments journey to better protect customers' money and data and give us the opportunity to resolve issues in flight. Fairness and clarity. When things go wrong, customers need to know what to do and where to go to get things sorted out. No matter how they pay, they want to know that they're protected if things go wrong. This then leaves them to use their preferred payment method without worrying about the underlying complicated rules and procedures, which is our job. Inclusivity and accessibility. Within the target state, we'll embrace digital solutions, recognizing that not everyone prefers or has access to the latest digital options. It's about meeting customers' needs where they are and providing alternatives to accommodate diverse preferences, ensuring everyone can participate in the growing digital economy. And for businesses, in today's competitive landscape, there's that constant tension between applying capital to create new products and services and keeping operational efficiencies and operational costs. And this extends to the provision of payment services. Providers seek the ability to invest more and innovate to meet the complex needs of business customers, providing efficiency through cost-effective cash management and new products and services such as embedded payments and gaining insights from data. However, our current landscape is not yet fully reflective or evolved to meet these customer needs. So with a North Star, we can reach an outcome that focuses on customer need. Lloyds has looked at the future. We have looked at the strategy. It's not the strategy. These are our ideas. This is our contribution. We'll see what the strategy will be when HMT publishes their outcomes, so feel free to mark our homework then. But this is our idea of what the future might hold. We see a future of smarter money, where intelligence is embedded in the system, make new products, services, and experiences for customers. We see tokenization as a great driver where assets, liabilities, and even identity will be represented by algorithms used to create safer markets, new forms of exchange, both domestically and cross-border. Experiments are already underway exploring intelligent payments and interoperable digital money, with the industry actively involved. These experiments are considering innovative solutions, aligning actions and outcomes through synchronization and new settlement methods, all recorded on the blockchain. As an example, potentially, in the future, we can envisage a house purchase flowing end to end, from the identification and onboarding of customers, through the selection of the mortgage and allocation of the deposit, to conveyancing, settlement, and the land registry being updated, all represented in one chain, and where the activities are actioned and concluded automatically when preconditioned requirements are fulfilled. So this vision of a future of rich payments raises a crucial question. How on earth do we get there? What's the plan? We think we need a bridge to achieve the smarter payments future. We believe that we have to complete the capable core, building the core to support the future end state. Firstly, we need our core payments platforms to speak the same language by embracing new international data standards, so-called ISO 20022. Secondly, we need to create the right operating models around the core for new products and services such as open banking and variable recurring payments. Multilateral agreements to open a level playing field for access for fintechs and providers alike, the appropriate protections for the appropriate use cases, and a commercial model that encourages investment across the value chain. These new services must be interoperable with cross-border transactions. And at the same time, we have to continue to address changing customer behaviors, which leave stranded costs in the system. If we can address the stranded cost, we can free up innovation, both people and financial, to develop the new smarter money platform. Building the future doesn't stop with the core platform. We need to think about all the developments holistically to create our North Star. We need to engage with the new payments architecture as it unlocks. It will help shape the future of money. We need to recognize the potential of open banking and variable recurring payments to create new choices for customers. We should understand and embrace new technologies such as tokenization and initiatives such as the Regulated Liability Network to explore their potential for the future of money, and join in the national conversation which is about to commence on central bank digital currencies. Then we'll be truly equipped to deliver the smarter money platform and consider the long-term future of money. In conclusion, we believe the national payments vision will provide a way for industry to come together, to convene and agree and refresh a plan for delivery, concrete outcomes. And the NPV, with those outcomes, will also help align our regulatory family around the key priorities. By placing the customer at the core of our efforts, we can ensure that every step we take enhances their experience, making payments seamless, fair, and accessible for all. There are unprecedented opportunities to unlock, to tap into the potential of emerging technologies and use payments to create a sustainable underpinning foundation for the prosperity of the United Kingdom in the future. Thank you.